Uyo ni thukuru wa secondary wa Ntulele kaunti-ini ya Narok na kuria mihango ya mathomo ithararite thutha wa riathani kurutwo ati thukuru uyu uhingwo kurumirira mateta ma ati mururtani munene wa thukuru uyu uria ukurikanite ta James Tamo ndakoretwo akiheana utungata mukinyaniru undu uria utumite kwaga maumirira mega ma igeranio cia kibũrũri. Nao aria marugamirire ugiteri itora-ini riri matongoretio ni munini wa Kaunti Kamicina ya irathiro Andrew Mutuma marari na ihinda iritu ria gucokaniriria arutwo aya aria marathiururukaga thoko-ini ya Ntulele nginyagia barabara ya Ntulele guthii Narok na uguo Mutuma gwathana thukuru uyu kuhingwo hinahi.
They started saying the Form 4s started saying that they want to go to the dormitory to pick a few items that they had left behind. Upon picking them, instead of going to their class, they rushed towards the current Form 2 class. Then from there, they now walked out of school, saying that they were going out for school fees. The teacher who was on duty tried to stop them, but he was unable. Then they went and asked the watchman to open the gate for them.
Until advised otherwise, but we want to give an assurance to the parents that the school will be open soon. At the moment it is closed indefinitely.
Hindi ya icera ria mubunge wa Narok ya irathiro Ken Kiloku, mubunge uyu ni ahinyiriirie na kuga thukuru uyu wa Ntulele ni umwe wa thukuru iria itekaga wega igeranio-ini cia KCSE na kuga utongoria wa Narok ni ukugia na giikaro na atongoria a thukuru uyu hamwe na aciari niguo kumenya kihonia kia undu uyu.
Ninasikia ni performance ya shule. Ukweli ya mambo performance ya masekondari ya Narok East ni kubaya. Ni mbaya sana and especially Kekonyoke. Kekonyoke ilikuwa na mais sijui 24. Ikifuatwa na Salita.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Maina.
Tumeanza na nyinyi tangu asubuhi.